Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. Is the air conditioning in your car working poorly and no cool air is coming out of the vents? Well, in this video you'll see what we did about the whole problem. It didn't take much time, it was very easy and did not cost much. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. So what happened? First of all, we're showing this on a Skoda Fabia Mark 1, but what you'll see may apply to other cars also. Skodas of this generation, but also other same generation Volkswagen cars, tend to lose refrigerant gas over time despite the fact that the whole system checks out okay. This isn't a big problem. For instance, this is the second time in 6 years that this had to be done on the Skoda. So what are the symptoms? When you turn on the AC, instead of cool air, all you'd get is warmish air as if the AC wasn't working at all. Besides this, a distinct whistling sound was coming out of the air vents, which would disappear after a couple of minutes. Know that in this case, the AC compressor was engaging normally. It could be heard when you press the AC button. Also, the system ventilators were working normally. So here's what happened next. The first thing that was done was to check the cabin filter. In this case, it wasn't that filthy, but if it's clogged up and dirty in your case, make sure to replace it before you do the next step. If you want to see how to change the cabin filter on a Skoda Fabia, click on the link in the corner of the video or on the link in the description to see our video dedicated specifically to that topic. Here, the cabin filter was replaced by a new one. Next, the car was driven to the local garage where they have, besides a very good and very well equipped shop, the almighty air condition machine. Now, I don't know if you ever seen one of these. They are roughly the size of a dishwashing machine and are easily recognized by a control panel with gauges on top. There are two hoses with connectors coming out of it, which are supposed to be connected to the car's AC system. This machine checks the whole air conditioning system, flushes out the old refrigerant, and puts in new one. Also, as the mechanic says, it disinfects and cleans the whole system as well as adds new lubricant. Sorry if I missed something, if experts happen to be watching this. Anyway, once the machine was connected, the whole procedure of refilling, cleaning and else took roughly about 20 minutes. After that, the car was started and everything was checked if it's okay. All of this costs, at least in our country, about 25 euros, which is in our terms a pretty good price. The end result was great. The AC instantly started working as it should. Cool air was coming out of the vents almost immediately. Well, you may say that this isn't really a fix, and you'd be right. Except for changing the cabin filter, everything else was done by the local garage. Also, this video isn't sponsored, nor is it commercially driven. The point of this video is to show one thing. When it comes to fixing these kinds of systems, especially if it's not a bigger problem, like the AC compressor or else, lots of times doing it this way is faster, less stressful, perhaps offers more quality, and may often end up cheaper. Even if your air conditioning is working fine, this machine can be connected to check and disinfect the whole system. So it is a sort of maintenance, if you will, and doing it will perhaps prolong the life of your AC system. Of course, maintaining the air conditioning system can be pretty successfully done on your own, at least regarding the AC recharge. There are numerous kits and tutorials for how to do this. But if you have the means and access to this machine at your local mechanic or AC shop, I would humbly recommend using this. It is not only quick, a bargain regarding the price, but also offers a quality solution, which is the main point of every repair. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps solve your problems. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.